warm up, get ready to start the parade. Okay, so this has been the 35th annual St. Stupid's Day Parade, brought to you by the First Church on the Last Lap, World Past Religion, 100% Let's Talk about Life, which is one holy day a year, and today is St. Okay, so there's one more thing you gotta learn. Besides all the sayings and besides the tithing address. Oh yeah, tithing. I forgot to tell you. You're going to play the lottery now. Now you understand that you need to play the lottery. All right, $1 a draw, or one a day, Lightning Hopkins, blah 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 blah. But when you win, you got to tithe to the one pretty true church. That's right. You got to tithe, but we undercut the competition. 9%. 9%. So remember, when you win big, send 9% to the church. Go to the website, ststupid.com. Spread the word. Now you're going to meet each other on the street. You're going to recognize each other. Hey, you're a member of the First Church of the Last Lap. And you do the secret handshake. Secret handshake is hold your hand up in the air. Hold your thumb across the palm. Slam them together at high speed. There you go. Ow. Ow. We got to change that. The guys down at R&D are working on a new handshake. Hope it's ready by next year. So, comedy magazine, Bill Allard, Duck's Breath. Checking that out. Get on their mailing list. Dr. Hal. Yeah, Dr. Hal. Dr. Hal has a show coming up April 20th, right?